Hi everyone, welcome to this video. I'll give a quick demo of a Chrome extension which uses Google Gemini AI model to create healthy Indian recipes and also make some funny poems about it. We name this extension as Rhyme and Dine. So first, I'll give a quick demo and then explain how's it working. So if you can see my screen, like how we do it, we first load extensions. So I have already loaded my extension known as Rhyme and Dine in my case. So what I'll do, I just go ahead and just give a quick demo of it. So uh, this is the extension. Now we need to copy a Gemini API key. So I'll just copy it here. I have it on my clipboard. And then we need to add some ingredients. So let me add something like beetroot and then rice, sugar, and yeah. So now what it does, I am expecting three different outputs: a dish name, a recipe, and funny poem. So now you see we have a dish name of beetroot rice kheer, we have a recipe for it, and then we have a funny poem of it. I have restricted the output of recipe and funny poem to 500 characters, I guess. Now we also have logs in here. If you see the first, like the dish name is beetroot rice kheer, and the recipe is this, like servings, cooking time, instructions. Like this is the format that I gave as well, like the dish name, ingredients, serving, cooking time, instructions, and the serving suggestions. Now the funny poem is the third thing that we're getting from the LM. Now we also have a feature to get the logs, so we'll check the logs as well. So this is how the logs are. Like the first iteration, we call our first function, which is the get dish name. The second iteration, where we call our second function, which is the get recipe detail. And then the third iteration, where we call our third function the write funny poetry about it. So what we'll do, we will save these logs for references. Okay, let me just copy it. Okay, so I think now we have copied it, and I'll just save it as well somewhere. Yeah. Now, yeah. Now, how we have implemented it? In the overall implementation, we made three calls to our LLMs, um, which is the Gemini in this case. Now, as soon as we enter the ingredients, we make our first call, and where we ask only for the dish name without the recipe. In the second call, we send the dish name and ingredient to the LLM and ask for a healthy Indian recipe. In the final call that we send the entire recipe to the LLM and ask for a funny poetry about it. Now, some technical details about it. Like to create this extension, we have used these files, a manifest.json, which defines the extension structure. The popup.html, this creates the user interface. Utils.js is the most important file because it contains core AI functions of it. I can quickly show it as well. Right, if you see, we have the get dish name, the first part of it. The second is the recipe details. The third one is the write funny poetry. The next file that we have is popup.js, which handles the user interaction. And the last one is the background.js. This manages the background processes. So yeah, I think that's it. Thanks for watching the demo, and I am happy to get any feedback for this. Thanks a lot. Thank you.